How to use or how to redeem Walmart gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the Walmart gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your browser, and on your browser what you want to do is you want to head into walmart.com, as I've done so on the screen as you can see here. Now you want to make sure that you're signed in or logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the left hand side of the screen, and once you do so, you'll get the option that says accounts. You can see the account option. You want to tap on it. Under account, what you want to do is you want to head into the wallet option. You want to simply tap on wallet, or you want to tap on the add a payment method option there. Once you tap on it there, you can see it'll ask you to enter in credit, debit card, gift card, electronic and such. You want to simply tap on gift card, and now here you'll be able to enter in your card details and then simply tap on save card, and it'll be added. And next time you make a purchase, you can use it as your payment method. So this way you can use Walmart gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.